Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Jen Rodriguez pa sa Galit Channel, a faith healer o Zomata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin na nagsabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of June 10 hanggang June 16 for the sign of Aries. So Aries, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayang energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aries signs ang ating mga hagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. But because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So let's see what is the messages advice sa'yo ng ating angel spirits. So let's watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mga kagilap? Alamin na natin yan sa iyong mga baraha. Angel Spirit, let's give information. So, there's the Temperance. A perfect timing, no? Kumbaga panatiling kalmado. No? Huwag ka masyado agresibo. And because there's the Five of Pentacles. Kasi kapag hindi ka nag-isip, kumbaga pag naging padalos-dalos ka, magkakaroon ka ng financial loss or financial crisis. Magigipit ka, maiipit ka sa sitwasyon mo. There's the Page of Cups. So, makinig ka sa intuition mo. No, kung hindi ka, kumbaga, may gut feeling may mararamdaman ka na something, ay, wag na lang kaya, ay, saka na lang, ganon. Kumbaga, pag ganon ang nasa isip mo, sundin mo, no? Wag mong ipilit, no, yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi mo pa kaya. Wag kang bumili ng ganito kung alam mong wala ka pang budget. Wag kang mangutang para lang makakuha ng ganung bagay. Kumbaga, mag-ingat, no? At kumbaga, maging kalmado sa mga bagay o decision mo. Additional messages. So, there's a Four of Pentacles. See, protect your power, protect your energy. Budgeting. Kailan mo mag-budget, ha? Protectionan yung grounds mo. And of course, there's the Three of Cups with celebration, something like that na maaaring, kumbaga, mag-ingat ka, no? Maraming mga gaganap na celebration. Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, maghinay-hinay sa gastos. And of course, sinasabi din dito with additional messages with the Queen of Cups. So, there's an healing. No? Kumbaga, ipahinga mo muna yan. No? Kailangan mo muna ng, kumbaga, makarecover, no? Pagdating sa finances and of course, resource of income, rather ganyan. Kumbaga, maaaring kailangan mo muna mag-ipon, mag-imbak, no? Magtipid. The Temperance represent the full card. No? There's something in your beginning. Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng bago simula. No, kailangan mo lang talagang dumaan sa tamang proseso. Kailangan mo maging kalmado. Di ba? Huwag ka maging padalos-dalos kasi mabibigla ka. Magugulantang ka na lang. The Five of Pentacles represent what? The Wheel of Fortune. See, there's a good luck, no? Kapag nag-ingat ka, no? At maaaring, kumbaga kung nagtipid ka at the same time nag-isip ka ng bagay kung paano mo papalawigin, papalakihin ang resource of income mo, magiging maganda na takbo na extend. The Wheel of Fortune, no? May swerte papasok. You are being blessed here. The turning to your favor. And the Knight of Pentacles with the security. Maging secure ka sa lahat ng mga bagay na gagawin mo. Para hindi sa huli, masasaktan o mabibigo ka. No? Maiipit ka sa sitwasyon, kaya mag-ingat ka. The Four of Pentacles represent what? The Queen of Swords, the bigger picture. Lagi mo titignan yung magiging possibilities, no? Tingnan mo lagi yung magiging, kumbaga, consequences ng magiging action mo. And of course, let's see what is the Three of Cups. Represent what? The Six of Cups. So, see, there's a third party, no? There's another side, guys. May third party dito with your ex, with your relatives, with your friends. Okay, let's see what is the Queen of Cups. The Lovers, healing, guys. There's a mother figure here, ha? Kumbaga, there's a mama's boy here, and there's a mama's girl here. And of course, connected pa kayo sa iyong parents, no? Meron ditong, kumbaga, there's a third party involved. Maaring, kumbaga, laging gusto nito, lagi nakasuksok sa saya ng magulang. And of course, let's see what is the Temperance, and of course, the Full Card. Represent the Knight of Pentacles. So, there's a blossoming abundance. May paglago at paglakas sa finances, ha? There's a new beginning is waving. The Five of Pentacles and the Wheel of Fortune represent the Knight of Wands. So, see, I told you, slow and steady. Panatiling kalmado. Kung alam mong wala pang budget, hindi pa kaya ng bulsa, wag mong ipilit. No? And of course, let's see what is the Page of Cups and of course, the Knight of Pentacles. Represent the Eight of Cups. Eight of Pentacles. So, focus, no? Mag-focus ka sa ginagawa, mag-focus ka sa business mo, sa resource of income mo, sa trabaho mo. There is a secure. Maging secure ka sa kung ano man yung mga bagay na alam mo magkakaroon ka ng growth and expansion. What is the Four of Pentacles and the Queen of Swords? So, this is the Two of Wands by choices, no? Choice mo naman yan. Kung ipipilit mo, ikaw din na mahihirapan. So, may mga bagay dito na kailangang pag-isipan. Huwag masyadong agresibo sa mga bagay o decision mong gagawin sa buhay. So, let's see what is the Three of Cups and the Six of Cups. Represent the Ace of Swords, the mental clarity. Kumbaga, puputulin na yung mga bagay na nagbi-brainwash or na kumbaga nagbibigay ng sakit at pigati. No? Mayroon dito kasing nakikialam. May pakila, mayroon third party. So, let's see what is the Queen of Cups and the Lovers. So, there's the King of Swords. Putulin mo. Diba? Putulin mo na yung ganong mindset, ha? Hindi yung problema ng asawa mo, susumbong mo sa magulang mo. Iwasan mo yung ganong scenario, ha? Hindi mabuti. Hindi maganda. For the outcome, so there's the Four of Cups in reverse. Something na parang matatanggap mo na. There's something acceptance here. And because there's the Two of Swords with the decision, no? Kumbaga magdi-decision ka na or something na there's a difficult decision na parang matatanggap mo at the end of the time. Let's see what is additional messages for career. So, Star card, wow, healing and happiness. And there's something hope. No, and because there is the Eight of Cups with something, the Seven of Cups representing opportunities, no? Marami pang oportunidad na papasok dito. Maaaring magkaroon ka na ng healing from the financial loss, no? So, let's see additional messages about sa love life. Pagdating sa love life mo, there's the Tower moment for a major change. That's the Seven of Swords. See, there's a sneakiness, cheating, lying on you. Mag-ingat ka itong person mo, maaaring nagsisinungaling sa'yo or may tinatago sa'yo. No? There's a Tower moment for a major change. Baguhin mo yung mindset o baguhin mo yung sistema nyo. No? Kumbaga, pupayag ka kasi ng ginagangster ka. No? Iwasan mo yan. So, let's see additional messages about sa health. About sa health mo, there's a magician. See? There's something, there's a black magic. Oh my goodness. Ginagawan ka dito ng third party. My God. Maaring yung biyanan mo, merong, oh my God. With the Nine of Cups and their offer. Pinainom ka nito. Kaya, or either yung person mo, kaya sunod-sunuran dun sa ano niya, diba? Mag-ingat ka dito, ha? Kumbaga, there's something na, there's a third party maaring gumagawa yung mother-in-law mo. Or father-in-law mo. It's either a mother figure. So, ibig sabihin mother-in-law o sister-in-law. Mag-ingat ka. So, let's see what is magical fairy messages. Connect with the nature. No? You're rejuvenated with inspired spending time outdoors. So, kailangan mo mag-unwind, no? Kailangan mo pumunta ng mga bundok or something ng dagat, no? Para makalanghap ka ng mga sariwang hangin. And because there's a trouble. Kasi I told you, may trouble ka dito, may ganap. Kailangan mo magpakalayo-layo. Charis, yung parang, di ba, libangin yung sarili mo. So, let's see what is the synchronicities. And there's an artist. Mag-ingat ka, ha. May dramatically actress dito. Oh, magdadrama-drama to, or kuya, ha. May, kumbaga, nagdadrama-drama to. Eksena na to. And there's a brother. Oh, my God. There's a brother. Maaring kapatid ng maaring yung kapatid mo, yung asawa niya. Or maaring kapatid ng asawa mo. Oh, my God. Yung kapatid ng asawa mo na lalaki, 'di ba? Yung asawa mo lalaki, yung kapatid niya, maaring yung asawa nun, no? Maaring gumagawa or may ginagawa sa'yo. There's a resilience. Kailangan mo maging tahimik, proteksyonan mo yung surroundings mo, no? Proteksyonan mo yung grounds mo. So let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. For Yin and Yang Oracle card, represent what? Oh, the Sun card. So, this is the pure positive outcome. So, magiging maganda na takbo yung sana. Dito, pinapalakas at pinapatibay ka with the Sun card. There's a confidence here, ha? There's a release, surrender. Kailangan mo pakawalan. No? Kailangan mong bitawan yung mga bagay na alam mong hindi nagsiserve sa'yo. And there's a commitment, contracts, and career. So, kailangan mo ditong, kumbaga, mag-commit, no? Pagdating sa business, no? Tutukan mo pagdating sa love life, no? Kumbaga, mag-focus ka dyan. Ganon. Additional messages for chakra messages. Complacency. No? Huwag mong hayaan kumagalipasan ka ng panahon. No, there's a something recovery. Makaka-recover ka dito, pero wag mong hayaan mapaglipasan ka ng panahon na ganun pa rin yung magiging scenario. Ooh. So, let's see what is additional messages for Archangel Michael. Messages. Your inner guidance is real and trustworthy. Yung gabay mo ay mapagkakatiwalaan naman daw. No? And there is a decide to be happy now. So, kailangan mo mag-decision na magiging masaya ka ngayon. Let's see what is the romance angels. Heart-to-heart to conversation. Kailangan nyo pag-usapan ng person mo yan, ha? Additional messages, so there's a separation. Maaring mayroong dito nag-separate, no? That because pakilamerang biyanan, pakilamerang hipag, no? May ganong eksena. No? Meron dito naghiwalay na maaring magkabalikan. Oh. So, let's see. What is additional messages? Additional messages with the energy, with the for Chakra Archangel Raphael, for something intuition, healing. No? Magkakaroon ka na ng healing dito. And there's an all tied up. No? Parang kailangan mo kumawala sa toxic family na yan. Oh, toxic family, guys. So, let's see what is the Monsology. Let's see what is the Monsology. Let's see what is the Monsology. Don't let pride get in your way, no? Alisin mo yung ego mo, alisin mo yung pride mo dito, no? Kailangan mo kausapin yung person mo ng maayos. And there's a personal issue reaches a resolution. Masusolusyonan dito problema mo. Look at the bigger picture, no? Tingnan mo yung magiging magandang kalalabasan, no? If pinag-usapan nyo, kung ano yung kumbaga magkakaroon ng settlement naman dyan, no? So, let's see what is the angel's answer. Lalo na kung may mga anak kayo, no? Mapag-uusapan yan. And because there is an if you believe, basta naniniwala ka. And there's a yes. Oh, there's a possible yes. And there's a no need to worry. Hindi mo kailangan mangamba. Diba? Kumbaga, wag ka mag-alala. Kumbaga, makukuha mo what you deserve. At may mga bagay dyan na parang maiaayos. Mali lang kasi naging umpisang sistema nyo. Let's see what is additional messages. Inayaan mo kasi may makialam eh. Ganon. And there is a love. Huwag ka mag-alala, mahal ka naman ng person mo or mahal nyo naman isa't isa. And there shall see shielding. See, protectionan mo, no, ingatan mo. And there is an flexible empowerment. So, kailangan maging flexible ka, no? Kumbaga, marunong ka makisama dapat, no, at the same time. Pero, kumbaga, pagdating kasi sa ganon, pagdating sa mga decision, kailangan na kayong dalawa lang. And there is something vital force by Dreamtime Soul Travel. So, may mga pangitain or may mga bagay na pinakita sa'yo from intuition na maaring mangyari, no? Sa susunod na hinaharap. No? Sa maaring current situation or maaring sa mga susunod na araw, gano'n. Kung ba may pangitain with the astral travel. There's an empathy. See, both side of situation, dapat tinitignan mo, hindi dapat one-sided ka lang. Diba, ganun dapat. And there's a grief, no? Kumbaga, there's something loses or so losing, no? May mga bagay na nawawala sa buhay mo, may mga bagay na umaalis. It's an opportunity to learn how and appreciate it. Kailangan mo magpasalamat sa kung ano man yung mga bagay na nawawala kasi, kumbaga, inalis siya ng Panginoon, hindi para, diba, masaktan ka lang. Para matutunan mo, para malaman mo yung halaga ng isang bagay kung ano yung, diba, ano yung benefits nun kung bakit nawala yung isang bagay na yon. At anong mangyayari sa'yo kung sakaling nawala na yung bagay na yon. Ganon. Kung tingnan mo yung possibilities or something consequences. And there is a nutrition. Kailangan mo na fruit and vegetable dito, ha? At the same time, there is a sensitivity. No? Kailangan maging sensitive ka rin sa mga actions mo and of course sa mga sasabihin mo. Kasi may mga bagay na maaring masasaktan mo sila. Kailangan pag-isipan mo yung mga bagay na bibitaw mo sa bibig mo. So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's the blue flame. So, something spontaneous awakening. So, kumbaga mamumulat ka na lang. Parang, ganito na lang ba? Ganito na lang yung setup? Ganito na lang yung magiging ganap? Ganito na lang ba lagi yung sistema ng kaganapan sa akin? Parang ganon. Kumbaga nag-i-improve na, nag-i-develop mo na yung, yung mindset mo dito. And there is a something star ancestor by hidden secret. So, see, marami kang bagay na mabubulgar. Marami kang bagay na malalaman, no? Na, kumbaga, kaya pala ganito, kaya pala ganyan, diba? Let's see what is Archangel. Stretch, no? Kailangan mo rin, kumbaga, kumilos-kilos, ha? And there is something of unconditional joy. May mga bagay dito na nagpapasaya sa'yo. Or may mga bagay na nagpapasaya sa kanya. No? It's either an animals, no? It's either a bagay, ganon. Parang stress reliever. So, let's see what is the Jesus-loving quotes. Knock and shall be open to you. So, kumakatok na ang ating Panginoon. May mga bagay lang talaga na ihahatid sa iyong mensahe na kailangan mo malaman, no? Ibibigay sa iyo yung mga bagay na ayon sa kalooban ng Diyos. Kaya lumalapit sa iyo ang ating Panginoon kasi may mga bagay na kailangan kang matutunan. So, let's see what is the angel's number. So, let's see what is the angel's number. Oh, my God. 888 for personal power. So, this is the material and spiritual abundance. So, talagang, kumaga, may magandang mangyayari sa buhay niyo mag-asawa or sa iyo, no? Maaaring gaganda ang takbo ng eksena mo pagdating sa love life, pagdating sa buhay, pagdating sa mga bagay-bagay, maaaring gaganda. All that is good and pleasant in your life with a multiply. Angel are sending the number to reassure you of the prosperity I will being ahead. Your surroundings will treat you with admirations and respect. Use it for the greater good. So see, kumbaga there's something respect and of course there's a kumbaga moral and lessons na parang gano'n. May marami kang matututunan, marami kang malalaman, no? Marami kang kumbaga ma-adapt sa sarili mo, marami kang kailangan baguhin din sa sarili mo. May mga bagay na kailangan mong may respeto, disiplina, at the same time pagmamahal, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay na kailangan mo unawain dito. Kumbaga may mga bagay din dito na kailangan yung pag-usapan na para maayos, no, ang gusot ng inyong family. This is a family related and family issues. Pero eventually, guys, this is a toxic family talaga. Let's see what is the messages of life by truth, no? The truth is here. Today, I discover my greatest truth is within me. It is a divine force that whispers from my inner self. I listen to the voice closely, putting aside my controlling mind. In this way, I find all that answer I am looking for. I am now in harmony with myself, and I am welcome the love of God, which is the truth that will guide me towards my fullest, most shining radiance. So see, malalaman mo talaga lahat ng bagay-bagay, katotohanan sa totoong ganap, sa totoong mangyayari at totoong hinaharap. So may mga bagay dito na unti-unti mong masisilayan ang totoong kaganapan, no? Kumbaga, maliliwanagan ka na may mga bagay na kailangan baguhin, ayusin, at kumbaga, isettle, no? Para na sa ganun mabago na ang takbo ng eksena nyo, no? Nasa magandang pag-uusap to. May mga bagay na kailangan parehas nyo sang-ayunan, no? Ang mga opinion ng isa't isa. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of June 10 hanggang June 16 for the sign of Aries. So Aries, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a general reading namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasaga. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos updated. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawa pag-support sa aking channel, lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manubalik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.